Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking back in with Bitcoin. Bitcoin could not hold the rotation zone, could not hold the prior breakout level, dipping down to the prior, this little swing low, forming a double bottom right in front of the 12.5% GAN level and this other support level. This is a really small one. Trigger with a close above 6,500. Looks like that might happen. Target 65.74, 66.11, and then the lower probability one 66.49, just because it's in the wicks. But this is a valid mini double bottom, especially tradable on a shorter time frame. Then the next move above that, the next levels remain in place. Return to the 37.5% retracement in the prior highs of 67.34, where we have the declining 50. And if we get through that, 68.15 and then 68.93. Now, very key support is about just above the 63.16 level. If we see, especially this pattern triggers and then fails, and then we close below that, I'd expect then to go to retest the lows. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, so even if this double completes, let me expand this for everyone. Even if it's double completes, it's easily still in front of the 8. So this could easily come up and then even run up higher to the 8 and then turn back lower. So the 8 is not in the way of this pattern unfolding, which is a good sign for the pattern. So that's what we have for you right now on a Bitcoin, and all the other levels from our prior videos remain the same. Switching over to Bitcoin Cash, which we haven't looked at in a little while. So we did a projection down from its highs on the 3rd of June to the lows on the 10th, which then gave us a cluster at about 851 to 852. Came down there, stopping there, moving sideways. It's actually when the rotation zone on the 1 hour with 8 pushing the price on the 4 hour. Then dipping down, we had 810. This actually spiked through it to 800 and then rebounding nicely in the rotation zone. Let me move this out of the way now so we can see this a bit better. I'm actually going to update these major levels too. Let me just pull them out of the way also so we can get a really nice big picture. Did the retracement level. So coming up, spiking up to this 25% retracement, then could not get a close above the rotation zone, coming back down and holding just at this prior support level. We have support coming in right now, major support around this 836. There is no double bottom pattern here. First level resistance now I'd be watching for about 686, then running up to 894. I mean, what did I say? I said 686. I mean 868. And then 894 to 900 areas. Again, this 904 where we spiked to was the 25% retracement levels, and that's from this whole retracement from the highs on the 3rd back to the lows on the 13th. So that's really the major area I'd be watching for. To target is right around this 904 to 912, especially with the declining 50, if we can get above the rotation zone. If we can't, and this turns back lower, a retest of this other support level would probably mean then a retest of the lows, and then we'd be looking for the next major area down about 749 to 756, and if we broke through there, 697. Let's check in on the daily chart. So daily chart, the 8 catching up, especially on a rally to about this 900 area, 904, 912. You see all this cluster in here. That's where the 8 is. So really pay attention if you did get long down here or bought into some of the support. At least move up your stop or take partial profits right around this area, because there is going to be some substantial resistance. If we do get through there, then you can watch for a rally. Next level above that's about 956, and then return to the 1,000 level where the declining 21 is. So that's what we have for you on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.